Welcome everyone. Today's engineering design challenge is the marble run. Before you begin, let's take a look at one part of the science behind this challenge. In the marble run, you'll be seeing friction in action. Well, what is friction, you ask? Friction is known as a contact force because it involves physical contact between two surfaces. The amount of friction that occurs during the contact force process depends on 1. The texture of the surfaces that are interacting, and 2. The amount of force that is pushing those surfaces together. Friction is created when two surfaces move or try to move across each other. The amount of friction created when two surfaces interact depends on what those surfaces are made of. Friction can be useful or it can cause problems. For example, it can be useful when you pick up a pen because your fingerprints give you enough friction so the pen grip doesn't slip out of your hand. Or it can be a problem when you try to hold a cup with a smooth surface because it can easily slip out of your hand. So today, you're going to be seeing friction in action. A few questions you should think about as you create your marble run are: how does the surface of the marble affect how it moves? How are the surfaces your marble run are made of affecting your marble? What role is friction playing? Now, on to the challenge.